We have already done a problem similar to this. So what we have to do? The numerator, we have to write sine of a plus b form where a is x plus a, b is x plus b. How to write it? So we'll write x plus a minus x plus b. What is this value now? X plus a minus x minus b. So it become a minus b. So we will operate it on sine. Sine of a minus b. So we will divide here 1 by sine of a minus b. Now when you expand this, sine of a minus b, sine a cos b minus cos a sin b form will come. This will get simplified. Sine a cos b minus cos a sin b. Now we will divide this term by the denominator. So these two will get cancelled. We'll get tan of x plus a minus, if we divide this term by denominator, cos of x plus a will get cancelled. We'll get tan of x plus b dx. Now we know what is the value of integral tan x. Integral tan x dx is nothing but log of secant x. So log of secant x plus a minus log of secant x plus b. Plus constant. This is in the form of log m minus log n. What is log m minus log n? That is log m by n. So this will be log of m by n. Now we can change secant into cos. So 1 by log of secant x plus a will go down as cos of x plus a. So this will be cos of x plus b by cos of x plus a plus constant. So this is the answer. Here we have to evaluate this integral. X cube is there in the numerator, 1 minus x power 8 is there in the denominator. So by taking x power 4 as y, 4x cube dx, that becomes dy. This will reduce us to the standard form of integral dx by square root of a square minus x square form. So let x power 4 is y equal to integral, what is x cube dx? X cube dx is dy by 4. This will be square root of 1 minus x power 4 is y, x power 8 is y square, x power 4 whole square. Now we can take 1 by 4 outside. What is integral dy by square root of 1 minus y square? That is nothing but sine inverse y by 1 plus constant. So nothing but 1 by 4 times sine inverse of what is y? X power 4 plus constant. So let us say this integration e power x dx is there in the numerator. If we take 1 plus e power x as y, if we differentiate, what will come? E power x dx will come. That will become dy. So that means we'll take let 1 plus e power x is equal to y. E power x dx is nothing but dy by 1 plus e power x is y. Then what does 2 plus e power x? We can write to 1 plus y. So 1 plus x, so it will be y plus 1. We can go for a partial fraction. On multiplying both sides by y into y plus 1, we'll get 1 is equal. Now put y is 0 and then y is minus 1 to get the values of a and b. Therefore 3 becomes, this is equal to integral 1 by y into y plus 1, that we written like this. So a is 1, so 1 by y plus b is minus 1 by y plus 1 dy. Or 1 by y into y plus 1, we written like this, a value is 1 and b value is minus 1. So this is log y. We'll take minus outside, again log of y plus 1 plus constant. So log of y by y plus 1 plus constant. What is the value of y? Y is nothing but 1 plus ex. So 1 plus e plus constant from 2. Say this problem, there is no integral dx by x square plus 1 into x square plus 4 is there. We cannot, x square plus 1 cannot be factorized further, x square plus 4 also cannot be factorized further. Then we can use partial fraction. But before that, we can take x square. Let us consider one over x square plus 1 into x square plus 4. This we can write as 1 over y into y plus 3. We can write this as 1 over y into y plus 3, where y is x square plus 1. For this we can use partial fraction. We'll take this 2, then let 1 over y into y plus 3 a by y plus b by y plus 3. By taking the values y as 0 and y as minus 3, we will get the values for a and b. Now this equation becomes, therefore 1 over y into y plus 3, so this is equal to a by y, so 1 by 3 by y plus minus 1 by 3 times y plus 3. But y is what? Y is x square plus 1. Therefore, 1 over x square plus 1 into x square plus 4. This we can write as 1 by 3 times 1 over x square plus 1 minus 1 by 3 times 1 over x square plus 4. Now what we'll do? Integrate with respect to dx, integrate with respect to dx. Now 1 by 3 we can take outside, then integral dx by x square plus 1 minus 1 by 3 integral dx is x square plus 2 square. So we know integral dx by x square plus a square is 1 by a into tan inverse x by a. So this is tan inverse x minus 1 by 3 times 1 by a. So 1 by 2 times tan inverse x by 2 plus constant. Now this we can write as 1 by 6. So this is the answer. We have to evaluate this integral. Integral cos cube x e power log of sin x dx is there. We know e power log x is equal to x. Then we can write this as integral cos cube x e power log, this is nothing but sin x dx. Now if we take cos x is y, minus sin x dx becomes dy. So we will take minus of cos cube x into minus sin x dx. Why I am writing like this? If we take cos x is y, minus sin x dx becomes dy. So minus into minus plus, cos cube x sin x is there. So now we can write this as integral y cube dy, where y is equal to cos x. This is nothing but minus y power 4 by 4 plus constant. So minus 1 by 4 times y is what? Cos x. So cos power 4x plus constant. So this is answer. So this problem again 3 log x we can write as e power log x power 3, e power log x power 3. Here we can write this as 1 over x power 4 plus 1 dx. E power log x is x, so this is nothing but x cube by x power 4 plus 1 dx. If we differentiate x power 4, 4x cube will come, so put 4 here, 1 by 4 here. So 1 by 4 times log of x power 4 plus 1 plus constant. So this answer. Here again, let us take f of x plus b power n and f dash x plus b dx is there. So let us take f of x plus b as y. Let f of x plus b is y. If we differentiate, what will be getting? F of, so f dash of x plus b, again we have to differentiate this further into a into dx, this will become dy. Therefore 1 becomes I is equal to integral f of ax plus b is y, f of ax plus b power n, that is y power n. Now f dash of ax plus b into dx, f dash of x plus b into dx is nothing but dy by a. So 1 by a, if we integrate y power n with respect to y power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant. So this is nothing but 1 over a into n plus 1, then power n plus 1 plus constant. So this is the answer. So in this problem, denominator sin inverse root x plus cos inverse root x is there. We know sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So we can put pi by 2 for this. Therefore, I is equal to integral pi by 2 dx. Now, what value we have to substitute for x so that this will get simplified? Put x is sin square theta. Put x is sin square theta, so that the square root of sin square theta becomes sin theta. Sin inverse of sin theta becomes a theta. Here sin theta, cos inverse of sin theta. Again sin theta we can write in terms of cos. So this gets simplified. So dx is what here? Dx is 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. Therefore, one becomes 2 by pi integral sin inverse of x is sin square theta, so it will become sin theta minus cos inverse of sin theta this is sin 2 theta. 2 sin theta dx is 2 sin theta cos theta becomes sin 2 theta d theta. Now this equal to 2 by pi sin inverse of sin theta is theta minus cos inverse of sin theta we can write cos of pi by 2 minus theta. Into sin 2 theta d theta. So this becomes now 2 by pi integral theta minus of pi by 2 minus theta. Therefore, I is equal to integral theta minus pi by 2 plus theta. So 2 theta minus pi by 2 into sin 2 theta d theta, where sin square theta is x. Sin square theta is x. Sin square theta is x, sin theta is root x. So this gives theta is equal to sin inverse root x. And cos 2 theta we can express in terms of sin theta. Cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Sin square theta is x. So this is nothing but 1 minus 2x Sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta by 2. 2 sine theta cos theta by 2 is nothing but sine theta into cos theta. Sine theta is root x. Cos square theta. Sine square theta is x. Cos square theta is 1 minus x. So cos theta will be square root of 1 minus x. So therefore 4 becomes 2 by pi minus cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2x. Theta is sine inverse root x plus pi by 4. Cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2x plus sine 2 theta by 2 is root x into square root of 1 minus x plus constant. Now this is equal to 2 into 2x minus 1 by pi into sine inverse root x minus x plus 2 by pi square root of x minus x square plus constant. So this answer. So in this problem e power x is there. Then we have to see whether this can be written in the form of f of x plus f dash x form. So for that, e power x, we can write the denominator 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x, 2 sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Dx. So 2 by 2 cos square x is secant square x. 2 get cancel cos x, this will become tan x dx. So this becomes integral e power x into f dash x plus f of x dx, where f of x is tan x, f of x is tan x, f dash x is secant square x. So the value of the integral will be e power x into f of x plus constant, that is e power x into tan x plus constant. So this is answer. X square plus x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square into x plus 2. So this is a proper fraction, so we can write like this. So for 1 by x plus 1 whole square, we can write a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 1 whole square. For x plus 2 plus c by x plus 2. Now multiply throughout by x plus 1 whole square into x plus 2, we get x square plus x plus 1, this is equal to, then a into x plus 1 whole square, x plus 2 is there, 1 x plus 1 gone, x plus 1 into x plus 2 will come. Plus x plus 1 whole square, we have to multiply by x plus 2, b into x plus 2 plus c, and you multiply this, x plus 2 is gone, x plus 1 whole square will come. Now we'll expand this. Comparing the coefficient of x square, x and constant term, we get x square. X square, coefficient of x square here is 1. That's equal to a plus c. A plus c. Then if we compare the coefficient of x, 1 is equal to 3a plus b plus 2c. The equations are there, 3 unknowns. We have to solve for a, b and c. The given integral becomes a is minus 2, b is 1, c is 3. So this minus 2 times integral dx by x plus 1 plus integral x plus 1 power minus 2 dx plus 3 times integral dx by x plus 2. So minus 2 times log of x plus 1, x plus 1 power minus 2 plus 1. So x plus 1 power minus 1 by minus 1 plus 3 times log of x plus 2 plus constant. So we can write this as minus 2 times log of x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 3 times log of x plus 2 plus constant. So I is equal to integral tan inverse of square root of 1 minus x by 1 plus x dx. Now we have to remove the square root by substituting proper values for x. So 1 plus x, 1 minus x means for x we can substitute cos 2 theta. When 1 plus x, 1 minus x is there under square root, we can substitute cos 2 theta for x. So let x is equal to cos 2 theta. So this gives dx is equal to minus 2 sin 2 theta into d theta. Therefore, 1 becomes I is equal to integral tan inverse of square root of 1 minus cos 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta minus 2 sin 2 theta d theta. One minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta under root tan inverse of tan theta minus 2, this becomes theta sin 2 theta d theta, where cos 2 theta x is cos 2 theta. Now we have to evaluate this integral by integration by parts. I is equal to minus 2 times So we will integrate sine 2 theta. What will come? Minus cos 2 theta by 2 into second function theta minus integral of integrated function minus cos 2 theta by 2 into differentiation of the other function. Differentiation of theta with respect to theta is 1. Now this is equal to this minus, this get cancels, theta cos 2 theta, then minus into minus plus into minus minus, 2 gets cancelled, then integral cos 2 theta d theta. If we integrate cos 2 theta with respect to theta, we'll get sin 2 theta by 2 plus constant. Now we have to go back to x by using this relation. X is cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is x. So from here we can write 2 theta is equal to cos inverse of x. This gives theta is equal to half times cos inverse x. So we have found cos 2 theta in terms of x, theta in terms of x, sin 2 theta. So sin square 2 theta is nothing but 1 minus cos square 2 theta. So 1 minus x square. So this gives the sin 2 theta is square root of 1 minus x square. Therefore 3 becomes I is equal to theta cos 2 theta is x, theta is half times cos inverse x minus half times sin 2 theta square root of 1 minus x square plus constant. So I'll take half outside. So x cos inverse x so this is answer. So in this integral square root of x square plus 1 into log of x square plus 1 minus 2 log x divided by x power 4 dx is there. Here log m minus log n is there. This we can write log x square. So log m minus log n form. Let us see how that gets simplified. This will be log of x square plus 1 by log x square. So x square will come in the denominator dx. This we can write as 1 plus 1 by x square dx. See whether here also we can get 1 plus 1 by x square. So here we take x square outside, that will become x, then 1 plus 1 by x square comes here by x power 4 log of 1 plus 1 by x square dx. If we take x square outside, 1 plus 1 by x square is coming. So this will become 1 by x cube. If we take 1 plus 1 by x square as y, Then while differentiating 1 by x cube dx becomes part of dy. Let y is equal to 1 plus 1 by x square 1 plus x power minus 2. If we differentiate, dy is equal to minus 2 into x power minus 3 x cube dx. So this we can write as 1 by x cube. Therefore 1 becomes equal to integral root of 1 plus 1 by x square is nothing but square root of y. This will be log of y, then dx by x cube is nothing but dy by minus 2. We will take 1 by minus 1 by 2 integral y power half log y dy. Now integration by parts. So we cannot integrate log y. So that means we have to integrate only y power half. We integrate y power half, y power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 into second function log y minus integral of integrated function, that is 2 by 3 times y power 3 by 2 into differentiation of log y is 1 by y dy. Where we have to write y is 1 plus 1 by x square minus 1 by 3 y power 3 by 2 log y minus into minus plus 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 is 1 by 3. Then integral y power 3 by 2 by y is y power half dy. So this will be minus 1 by 3 y power 3 by 2 log of y plus 1 by 3 times, if you integrate this, y power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus constant. So this will be 2 by 9 y power 3 by 2 plus constant. So wherever y is there, put 1 plus 1 by x square minus 1 by 3 we have taken outside, so it will be 2 by 3 plus constant. What is the value of y? Y is 1 plus 1 by x square. So 1 plus 1 by x square power 3 by 2, then log of 1 plus 1 by x square minus 2 by 3 plus constant.